This is an empty box of Pringles. Why it's empty? I ate them all. 165 grams for €2.29. And this is an empty bag. Again, I ate them all, of Lay's. 225 grams for only €1.55. Prices are from the Spar supermarket right around the corner. So how come that a kilo of these is 14 euros and a kilo of these is only 7 euros the kilo? That is because there's lots of IP on this. Patents, trademarks, copyrights. So if you want to improve the value of your business and raise the margins, you might consider a decent intellectual property strategy.